main objective of this program is to read a set of dates and transaction amounts and then sorts these details in conjunction with dates. That is chronological order we wanted to start the amounts. For this purpose we have written a function known as date compare, which is already discussed in the previous example, which takes two date type of objects and returns 1 if the first date is older than or equal to the second date, otherwise returns 0. Similarly, another function is also written, that is date swap. The main object of this function is to exchange the values of two date type of variables. For achieving this function is written such a way that it takes addresses of two date type of variables and then exchanges their values. Internally, this function uses the swap function which was discussed earlier, previous examples, which takes two addresses of two integer variables, exchanges their values. Here the dates are exchanged by exchanging the days of both the dates, months of both the dates and years of both the dates, which are incidentally integer type of variables. Thus the swap function is called 3 times, once to exchange the days, another time exchange the months and the next time exchange the years. The main program is written such a way that it reads a set of dates and also amounts. Then by employing the bubble sorting concept, the dates are sorted. In conjunction with the dates, amounts are also sorted, and finally the results are printed on the screen. Now first two dates are compared. As the second date is older than the first date, they are exchanged by calling the date swap function. At the same time, amounts also exchanged. Now second date and third date are compared with the help of date compare function. The second date is 1987, the third one is 1998. Thus the function returns 1, so no need of exchanging the dates. At the same time, no need of exchanging the amounts also. Now third date and fourth dates are compared with the help of date compare function. The third date is 1998, whereas the fourth one is 1989. As that is older than the 1998, now the dates are supposed to be exchanged. At the same time, amounts also got exchanged. Again, first and second dates are compared. There is no need of any exchange. Again, second and third dates are compared. Again, there is no need of exchanging the dates. Again, first and second dates are compared with the date swap function. No need of exchanging any dates or any amounts. This is the final ordering of the amounts in conjunction with the dates. The oldest date and related amount comes first and the recent date comes in the last. Main objective of this program